Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Grok Imagine and see how you can use it for yourself. In order to do so, here we are at grok.com. So you are going to want to come to grok.com, or you are going to want to use the Grok app on the App Store or Android. And once you're here, then on the left-hand side, you're going to see where it says Imagine. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And we are all ready to go. So let's go ahead and just type something in here. Let's go with a green hooded hero in a fantasy forest fighting let's go with a werewolf. And we'll hit enter. We'll let that think. Shouldn't take too long. You can see for yourself. There you go. So very quick, very straightforward, and you get a variety of examples to choose from. So it'll continue to produce more images more as you scroll down. We'll just go ahead and go with the one here at the top, and you could see that we have this icon here that looks like a play button, and if you hover over it, it says make video. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And now that is going to generate as a video. You can see the progress indicator there, and it's really quite fast. Another thing you can also do is you can add your own images by clicking on the attach button here. So if we click on that, then you can see here that you can upload a file. So if you have a specific image you want to use, then you can bring that in. And Imagine will turn that into a video as well. So you can see here, we now have our video, and the results are really quite cool. I love this animated style, very neat. And we'll just take a quick look here at the attach, upload a file. And let's go with this one here. And you can see, got a bit of a different looking screen here. And then at the right-hand side, you'll see that it's already starting to create our video. So immediately it will begin to generate video. If you want to customize, let's go ahead and click this. So this here says fun and normal, but if you actually use the app, let's see here. Okay, so you can customize it by putting it into this box here. And here we go. So now we have our video, and you can hear it has sound as well. And the results are very, very cool. So that gives you an idea of how you can take advantage of Grok Imagine for yourself. Let's just go ahead and hit that on pause. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord channel. We're building a community there around AI animation, project sharing. So if you're looking for a small community to be a part of that is growing, please check us out on Discord. And if you are interested in a new bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.